Yo guys, what's up? This is your host Mr. FC, and yeah, it's Mr. FC. So today I'll be playing Steal a Brainrot, and I'm looking for a strawberry elephant, and I'll be taking Sammy's help in today. So let's start. Alright, I'm with Sammy. Let's ask him to get me something. So Sammy, can you help me today? Oh yeah, he asked for what? Alright, can you hear me, Sammy? Alright, you can. So, Sammy, can you get me a strawberry elephant? I need it today. Alright, he's getting. Oh, but what? I have to complete a few challenges. What? Hmm, sure thing. Go ahead. Oh, that's easy. Nobini Pizzanini. Let's get it. Pizzanini, come on, where are you? Nobini, let's go and wait until it comes. Alright, here my Nobini is. Let's buy it and let's purchase it. So we get the Nobini Pizzanini. Sammy, I'm getting it for you. I don't know why would Sammy ask for such. Yeah, Sammy, can you come to my base? Yo, Sammy, can you hear me? Yeah. So, yeah. Can I get the strawberry elephant now? Bro. Why this is typing so slow? One again, but that's not it. Bro, why did you mention that? Bro, what? Sammy. What? Bro, stealing my Nubini Pizzani. You don't know that's the most precious thing. Sammy, get out of here. Sammy, get out. Sammy, yes. Alright. So, I got my Nubini back. Sammy, I need the strawberry elephant, please. What? That's. Alright. Oh, sorry. Take it, gang. Take it. Let me take it. Hurry up, Sammy. Where's this one? Yeah. Alright. I'm here. So, what? Yeah. That's a tin cheese. Yeah, I know it's Dem Cheese Gang. Not a, yes, it's Rainbow, duh, obviously. Should I steal it? Oh no, gang, what? You want me to bring one more for you? Gang, that's but before that, what? What? No, you stole my bro, that's not funny. Bro, what? You sold my new game. That's the most question. Alright, I'm going again. Bro, what? Oh, just disconnect. Alright, I will be now I'll be going to different servers. First of all, a public server. Let's see what does this guy this server. Yeah, I put some speed on it. There was nothing in the server as well. Another public server. Dreams are forged in every play. Grinding hard to seize the day. From zero up to champion crew. Alright, this guy I met him in the what do we say? Yeah, I met him in the Discord server. Oh, bro, what? It's the same thing gang. Team was not in that thing. Where's the tin cheese gang? Where is the tin cheese? It's in his look. It's a scam gang. It's a clear scam. Hurry up, gang. Alright, yes, bring it. Wow. Should I buy another mini pizza for Sammy? I should. Oh, oh, here it is. He got it. Oh, he has 5 different tin cheese can. He has a rainbow one right in front of me. Alright, I need it. Can I take it? Should I take it? Let's ask him. Let's wait for him to load. Let's ask him. Yo, let's go. Oh, his collection.
They tap the screen, the player moves. Tactic sharp, they've got
Just
the
take it.
grooves. The countdown hits, the final stride. FC
Bro,
people
what, bro, what?
pride. Master plans on the pitch.
Oh, why did you do that, bro?
Every shot perfectly weighed.
Oh, can yeah, it's his most special. No way, I can take it. Alright.
Feel the rush, hear the roar. FC people asking for more. Kick the ball, break the rule. This ain't just a game, it's the school.
Why is everyone so slow when typing in?
Like stars collide. Victory is the only
Yeah, funny though.
guide. Legends rise with
See
every
for that.
goal.
I can only get such a bit of
Dreams are forged.
hurry up, gang! Oh, what? Bro, I gotta guess it's hell, bro. I'm not getting your good brain. You want that?
People, we follow through. Feel the rush.
That's my internet is slow.
FC people asking for more.
Bro, it's too slow at typing.
Break the rule. This ain't just
Bro,
a
hurry up.
game, it's
Oh.
a school.
He likes rainbow items. Oh wait, I saw something in Sammy's face. Yeah, let's leave and go to Sammy. So I've joined Sammy and I'm going to ask him if he lets me have his rainbow item. Yes. So Sammy, can I have your rainbow item that you had in the bit? Rainbow item. Bro, what? Yeah, so I basically need it for a trade, for the trade. I'll bring you the 10 cheese as I promised. The rainbow one. I need it. What? Bro, what? I really need it, bro. Please. Yeah, there is a rainbow item in your base. Can I have it? Yeah, I'll get it for you. I'll get it. I'll get it. Can you give me that rainbow item? If I give you, what's the point? What? I'll get the rainbow dim cheese for you, and I will. Don't. Okay, alright. He's giving it to me. Let's go. Bro, come.
Tactic sharp, they've got
Oh, he said come. Let's go to
countdown
this.
hits, the final stride.
Yeah. Alright, I need this rainbow. Yeah, I need the travel 3000.
Master plans on the pitch displayed.
So I got the rainbow Turbo 2000. I joined Sammy back. Oh, sorry, I joined that person back. And is he? Where is he? Where's the person? Where is he? Bro, where are you? Oh, he's in his base on the top floor. On the room. I was selling. Oh, this video is fast. Follow me again. On the dance floor.
Dreams are forged in every play. Grinding hard to seize the day. From zero up to champion crew.
Gonna be please take it. I need the dim cheese. Please. He doesn't want me to make an elephant out of that dim cheese. What? Giving her? Yeah, up. Alright, I'm in his service. Please, gang, don't scam me. I need that dim cheese. Oh no, wait. You're not taking it again. I'm taking your. Right. Let me just tell him that I did at the same time. And it's just, you know what, bro, what? It's your server. I can't. Alright, yes. Willing to do that at the same time. Let's go. It doesn't matter what I just done it after that. And I'm back at Sammy's server. Yeah, I joined Sammy. So Sammy, here's your dim cheese. See this? Sammy, take it. Oh, alright. So take it, Sammy. I need that strawberry elephant. Okay, so he's gonna take it. Alright, take it, Sammy. Take it real quick. Hurry up. First too slow. Alright, took my dim cheese. He has a whole collection of 4 dim cheese. What's Sammy gonna do? What? How much do you have? Again, I have 7.2 from 3. That's right. 4 trillion. Yeah, that's 7.24 trillion again. Sammy, let me have a please. Sammy, please. Sleep is funny. Yeah. So he's sleep. What are you thinking, Sammy? Why do you type so slow? Sammy, hey, up down. Takes forever. So slow, Sam. Well, I'll give you Army love for 1 minute, and if you are able to get 3 million per second Brainrot, I'll give you the next chance. Alright, sure, Sam. Now what? Okay, come to my server. Alright, he's taking the admin server. Let's see. I'm here, Sammy. See all the good Brainrots? No, I don't. I'm not started what? So what? I have 2 minutes now. It said 1 minute, but I have 2 minutes. Alright, go what? Oh, really? Alright, sure. Quick. Oh my god, that's who can from the first trainer I got. What? I was gonna buy the admin. Let's have this Pokemon 560 million. Alright, let's wait. 1 minute. Let's go to boss. We ain't getting a good Brainrot pick. Alright. Let's wait. Yeah, guys. So, oh, I got the candy Tim cheese. What? What? But alright. 6.5. Here's 9. Oh man, I need it. I need this one, guys. You only ask for it. Yeah. So, gang, I got this. How do you say? La Secret Combinaciones above 800 mil in the next 20 seconds, and Sammy give me another option. Give me another minute. Can we get something good here? Oh my god, oh my god. Sammy just won. Oh my god, 2 winners. Oh my god, 3 of them. Bro, what was that? 3 of them winners. Alright, I got the 3 of my 300 plus with one of the secret Brainrots, and that's it. Oh wow, yeah, Sammy, I got them. Now give the breaking Brainrot. I get them. Now what? Oh no! Oh no! 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 No. I have this 157 combined. No! God. Oh. Already gave me 20 more seconds and I got this thing and secret combinaciones game. And I guess he really wants me to get elephant. So I got all this. I'll sell the rest to keep it here and sell the rest to go to any get lost. And yes, well, whatever you are, I don't know what. Yeah. So what are you thinking, Sammy? Just give me my. Oh, you're gonna take them? Sure, Sammy. Alright, Sammy took them in his base. What's bro going to give me now? Alright, yeah. What are you going to give me, Sammy? Please give me the elephant. Admin luck still. Hang on. What, bro? What? Bro sold my entire base. Bro sold the 3 Brainrots. No, Sammy. What? What? Yeah, sure. I wanna see something. Alright. Alright. What the hell, man? Oh my god, can I take them? Can I take them? Please, 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 please. Sammy, please. Sammy, please. Oh my god, I got my elephants. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. What? Bro, what? No, wait. Now what, gang? No, please. No. Bro, sold them. No, let me have one. No, Sammy, please. Sammy, bro. Alright. Oh my god, bro. Sammy! A 7 billion strawberry elephant with the galaxy trade and those 3 mutations. Sammy, oh, yes, I see this. Then we have it. Should I steal it? Should I? Sammy. What? Yes, obviously I want it. Sammy, obviously I want it. Sammy, obviously. Wow. That looks awesome. I've never seen this elephant in my entire life. Can I have it? Sammy, please. Sammy. Can we have it? Sammy. Bro, what? No, please, no. I can't leave it to you. You're too good at it. Sammy, just let me have it. Sammy. One, bro. Yeah, please, just let me have it. You're too good at PvP. Obviously, I can't run from you. Oh, yes! Thank you, Sammy. Thank you. Let's go. What? What? Now what? Again, you will give it. I'll give it. Next time you just give me a message to go buy a looking TV. I'll give it to any subscriber. Sure, Sammy. I'll give it to one. So, guys, I have to give it to one of you. Yeah, I promise, Sammy. I promise. Now, let me have it. Open your base. Let me have it. So guys, once I reach 1k for 1k subscribers, sorry, I'll let you have this probably elephant, and one of the subscribers will like my videos and subscribe to my channel. See this purple elephant. I mean, can you leave now?